Hi, my name is Julia. Today I'm gonna share with you a love story of a Python programmer. His name is Alex. He loves a girl named Nancy. But she has a nosy brother named Peter. Peter is a cybersecurity expert and he doesn't like Alex with his sister. Every time Alex messages Nancy, Peter gets that before his sister. As a result, Nancy gets into a problem. To solve this problem, Alex found a way. He developed a Python program to encrypt the messages before sending them. He's been texting her girlfriend lately secretly with the help of that Python program, but Nancy's brother doesn't understand that. Watch the video till the last to know how Alex finally meets with Nancy in a park at the end, avoiding her brother's eye.
A secret message for someone special.